In this video, I will show you how to link your PayPal account to Gcash. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Gcash app and log in with your 4-digit PIN. From the home screen, what you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto Profile. So on your profile screen, if you look to the left hand side, you'll go in to see a option which says My Linked Accounts. So what you want to do is press onto this next. And then from the list of linked accounts, you'll go and see PayPal. So go ahead and press onto PayPal. Next, what you want to do is go ahead and enter the PayPal email address for the PayPal account that you want to link to your Gcash, and then press the link button down at the bottom. Now what's going to happen, you're going to get an authorization page, and what you want to do is press the orange authorize button, and then finally it's going to ask you to confirm your credentials by entering your email or mobile number linked to your PayPal account. So what you want to do is go ahead and enter that and then press next. And once that's done, you would have successfully linked your PayPal account to your Gcash account. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.